Okay, now see, because in French language, we have verbs, we have a lot of things. Now you have to speak after me and just try to understand the concept of the grammar. Because the moment we'll do grammar, then we'll move to a pattern of, a bit personal speaking, how it works. Is it clear to you? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, we have one verb parley. Speak up, parley.
Play.
Parley. Parley is my verb to speak. Is it clear
Speak.
to you?
Yes, sir.
Here. Now, in French language, basically, we have three type of verbs. We have three types of verbs. Is it clear to you? So
Yes.
basically, in French language, we have three type of verbs. Verbs are ending from er. Verbs are ending from ir, and the verbs are ending from re. Is it clear to you? Right.
Yes.
So basically, in French language, we have endings basically. On the basis of endings, we'll do a verb conjugation. Say Claire, why?
Yes.
Now, for example, I will give you all three verbs example, and you will come to know how it works. Okay. Now, for example, we have verb parler, right? So parler is my
Yes.
verb to speak. Okay. Now, we have verb choisir. Repeat after me. Choisir. Now, choisir is my verb to choose. Now, over here, Kamal, we have verb which is ending from er, and over here the verb is ending from ir. Is it clear to you? Now we have
Yes, sir.
verb descendre. So over here we have verb. um, So over here we have verb ending from re. So basically, what is the concept over here? The verb is ending from er, the verb is ending from ir, and the verb is ending from re. Is it clear to you?
I-
Right? Now, basically in French language, Kamal, we have a formula. We have formula. Now repeat after me. If the verb is ending from er, if any verb is ending from er, we have a formula e, es, e, ons, ez, and
And
clear. So this
yes.
is the formula of er ending verb. Say Claire, why?
Yes.
Now we have verb ir, right? If the verb is ending from ir, right? So what is the formula of ir ending verb? The formula is is. This formula you have to understand, right? It, issons, right? issez, okay, and issent.
And
This is the formula of ir ending verb.
yes, sir.
Okay, so we have verb ending, right? Okay, the formula of e ending verb is ese, ons, ez, ent, right? And the formula of ir ending verb, which is is, it, issons, issez, and issent. Is
And
it clear to you?
yes.
Right? Now, then we have formula of re over here, right? Now, what is the formula of re ending verb? The formula of re ending verb is s, s blank, right? ons, ez, and ent. So basically, obviously, every demo we have three verbs. One is ending from er, one is ending from ir, and the one is ending from re, right? So
Yes.
over here, if the verb is ending from er, we have ese, ons, ez, ent, right? If the verb is ending from ir, Your formula is IS, ISIT, ISSON,
ONS.
ISSEZ, and ISSENT, right? If the verb is ending from RE, your formula of SS blank, okay, ONS EZENT. Is it clear to you? Right.
Yes.
Now over here. Now for example, we have verb parley, right? Let's make a formula of parley. Let's make a formula of parley. What you will do? As a rule, if your verb is ending from ER, you have to eliminate ER from the end, right?
Yes.
Insert a formula of
Sir.
E. Say Claire. E,
Yes.
E, S, Y,
E
E,
O N
O, N, S.
E Z and ENT.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
E, N, T. Clear? Now we
Yes.
ironing verb, right? So we have Shwazir, right? So we have Shwazir. This is my ironing verb. So Shwazir is my verb to choose, right? Say Claire, right?
Yes.
So what we'll do? We have to eliminate IR and we have to insert a formula of IS, right? Claire,
Yes.
then IS, right? Then IT. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
ISSONS. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Then ISSEZ. Is it clear to you? It is just
Yes, sir.
you have to insert the formula, right?
Yes.
Then CHOIS. Okay, because we have left with CHOIS because I would get right. I can say ISSENT. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
This is a formula of ironing verb, right? Now, for example, if we have verb which is this only, and this is my ironing verb. So, what is the formula of ironing verb? I have to
Yes.
remember RE. So, D E
Yes.
S C E N D S, right?
Yes.
DESCENDS, right? DESCECEND, right? Because that's a blank. Okay. Now DESCENDONS. Is it clear to you? Right?
Yes.
DESCENDEZ, right? Clear? And
Yes, sir.
DESCENDENT. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? These are the things, right? And I will explain to you now one more time. See, basically in French language, we have a formula. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that how the pattern works. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now I
Yes.
will lot of verbs and you will understand this like how the pattern works, right? Now,
Yes.
for example, may I rub this? May I rub this?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for example, you know what to say I, tu, il, and l, right? Okay. Because we have brush up, we are going to brush up entire session what we have done so far. So, je is to I, tu,
Uh,
you informal, say Claire. Okay.
yes.
Il we have he, l we have she,
Sure.
you we have we, who which is you formal, and il l we have plural. Is it
Yes. Yes.
clear? So je,
Yes.
tu, il l, nous, vous, il l plural. Is it clear to you? Right? Now, for example, I will give you a lot of verbs today, and you will conjugate it. Okay. Now, for example, let's talk for a year-ending verb. Let's talk for year-ending verb. So basically, these are my verbs. Accepte is to accept, because these are the very beautiful vocabularies the moment we start the language. So these
Yes, sir.
vocabulary will help you out. Accepte is to accept.
Accept.
Adore, adore
Ad-
is to love. Okay.
yeah.
Aime is to like. Annule is to cancel. Why? Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Aporte is to bring. Atrape. Atrape is to catch. Bavarde.
But
Bavarde is to chat.
at
Kase. Kase
caste.
break. Shonte. Shonte is to sing. Cherche. Cherche is to look for. Why?
Yeah.
Commande. Repte आपका
Um,
commande. Commande is to order, and commence is to begin. Is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
Right? Is it clear to you? Now, so
Yes, sir.
here, now for example, we have a subject verb, for example, and I want to convert a subject verb with my present tense. So, what I will do, I have to remove er, right? So,
Yes, sir.
e, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then we have what? A double C E P T E S. Is it clear to you? Right?
Yeah.
So, for example, I say I accept. This is je accept. Is it clear to you? Because this is my
Yes.
application. But over here, whenever we have two vowels, whenever you have vowel ending, and the next word is starting from a vowel, then in that case you have to eliminate the vowel and combine like this. You have to
Yes.
say Claire. Why?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And now one more thing, whenever you have a consonant ending, right? Whenever any of your word is ending from a consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel, you have to combine the sound, which is ja. Speak up, ja.
Yeah.
So क्या हो जाएगा? Ja sab. Say Claire. Ja
Yes, sir.
chew asap. Say Claire. Chew
You
asap.
accept.
Clear. Now we have il el asap. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle? Why?
Yes, sir.
Nous acceptons. Nous, nous acceptons. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Vous acceptez. Vous acceptez. Clear. And il, elle accept. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear हो रहा है आपको? So,
Yes.
j'accepte. Tu acceptes. Il, elle accepte. Nous acceptons. Vous acceptez. Il, elle accepte. Is
Yes.
it
Yes, sir.
clear? Now, for example, now we have verb, right? We have verb adore. So how should you conjugate adore verb? With the same conjugation? Can you do that? Why?
Yes.
So
Yes.
aim, annule, you have to conjugate it out. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Mademoiselle, one thing you have to understand. You know what is past verbs? Because we are doing the overview, which we have done till now, right? So past,
Yes, sir.
now, in English we have talk, talked, right?
Yes.
Walk, walked, uh, see, saw, clear, go, went,
Yes.
right? Now, for example, if I'm a Russian guy, for example, and I do not know English, and you will explain to me how the English pattern works. Now, for example, so you will say, okay, talk, talked. I will say, okay. Okay, and you will say go went. I would say why go went, why it's not go got. When talk we have ed talked, when walk
Yes.
walked we have walked walk. Why not go with God? You will say no, that's a rule, that is go went gone. So it means we learn the past by heart. Tell me, yes?
Yes.
Which we call as participe passé. Participe passé we call as pepe. Pepe. In French language we call as pepe. Pepe is past participe passé. Past participle. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically we have to understand about pepe. It means past participle. Say Claire. Now
Yes, sir.
the verb aporte, right? So aporte is my verb to bring. Aporte. Aporte is my verb to bring. The moment I will conjugate, you know, past. So remember one thing. Have you done e agu e graph a sound s sound Kamal?
Uh,
Have
which one?
e
सॉरी सर,
चलो
आपकी आवाज कट करके आती है एक बार में।
अच्छा एक सेकंड अब आ रही है आपको मेरी वॉइस
हाँ जी, वो बीच बीच में एक दो बार कट कट जाती है, तो वो आप जो बोलते हैं ना, वर्ड्स कट करके आते हैं कभी कभी।
no problem you tell me you have you done e sounds the type of how many type of e we have
Yeah, I saw the video of the past, days that I did not attend. So
okay
there
I
already
will
explained
explain
like
to you no
four
problem
type of.
we are doing revision so now part the graph I will explain to you okay now
Okay.
for example you know in French language we have basically four type of e these are sounds basically is it clear to you
Yeah.
right okay now if we have e if we have e single e when there is no accent लाक्सो कहते हैं वैसे हम उसको when there is no accent that sound is a in French that
Yes.
sound is a
Oh,
is it clear to you mademoiselle what
yes, sir.
whenever you have an x you have accent yes whenever you have accent in e from bottom to top it is going towards left hand side clear
Ye-
okay
Yes.
that sound is a in French it means with one accent my sound will get changed is it clear
Yes. Yes, sir.
whenever you have e from bottom to top it is going toward left hand side that sound is a that sound we have is a is it clear to you mademoiselle
Yes,
clear now repeat after me we have a single e which is a clear
sir.
if we have a e from bottom to top it is going to a right hand side the sound is a
Eh,
bottom to top it is going to a left hand side that is a
eh,
and if you have a hat like that okay that sound is a
eh.
is it clear to you
Yes, sir.
now for example now what is past basically right now for example if we have verb aporte right if I want to make aporte with past right so my conjugation will be e aq इस ई ए साउंड को हम बोलते हैं एक्यू दैट ए साउंड को हम क्या बोलते हैं एक्यू ए आई जी यू क्या बोलते हैं एक्यू
Eh,
योर इन केस ऑफ पास जैसे हमारा होता है टॉक टॉक्ड ऐसे ही
yeah.
केस ऑफ ईयर एंडिंग वर्ब mademoiselle your ear is converted into in case of past is e a sound aq is it clear to you mademoiselle
Yes, sir.
so इसी रीजन से मेरा जैसे मेरा ब्रिंग बॉट हो जाता है ब्रिंग बॉट ऐसे मेरा आप पढ़ते ही ईयर मेरा ई एक्यू में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा इज इट क्लियर टू यू
Yes, sir.
राइट से क्लियर ओके
Yes.
सो Now, bonjour Simmer, bonjour, vous allez bien, mademoiselle?
Bonjour, sir. Ça va bien?
So, Simmer, we are doing a bit revision, then we'll move forward. Okay?
Sir, your voice is not clear to me. Just a second.
My voice is audible to you?
Uh, yes, sir. Now it's good.
Is it fine now? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So, Simmer, we are doing revision, okay? And then we'll move forward. Okay? Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So, basically, we are doing past tense. We are doing past tense. So, Simmer and Mademoiselle Karan, we have, formula of past tense. Very important to understand. We have formula of past tense, right? Have you done our verb? Tell me. Our verb, our
Yes, sir.
have, right?
Yes, sir.
Komal, have you done our is my verb to has, have, right?
Yes.
And at verb. At is my verb to be, which belongs to my is, am, are. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We have at verb, which belongs to is, am, are, and our verb that belongs to, because mademoiselle, in any of the language, obviously evidemment, these verbs play a vital role. Has, have, is, am, are. Is it clear to you? So tell me, at is my verb to is, am, are, and our is my verb to has, have. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the moment, yes, exactly. The moment I will conjugate the verb of at, which I am, you are, he, she is, how it works. How it works. C'est clair. So this is my être. Répétez après moi. Être. Être verb to be, which is, am, are. C'est clair.
Yes.
Why? So mademoiselle, the moment I will conjugate at verb, which I am, you are, because in French language there are some verbs, Kamal, we have to understand these verbs by heart, because in French language we have a formula, we have a conjugation, right? So at
Yes.
a verb to is, am, are, the moment I will conjugate at verb, which I am, you are, that is je suis. Je suis is to I am. Répétez après moi. Je suis is to I am. Why? Tu es is to you are. C'est clair. Why? Tu es is to you are. Il, elle est. Mademoiselle, c'est clair. Komal.
Yes, sir.
Il, elle est is to he, she is. Okay. Nous sommes. Nous sommes is to we are. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Répétez après moi. Vous êtes is to you are. Is it clear to you? And ils, elles sont is to they are. This is my plural. C'est clair. Now repeat after me, mademoiselle. Je suis is to I am. Tu es is to you are.
You.
Claire. Il, elle est is to he, she is. Nous sommes is to we are. Vous êtes is to you are. And ils, elles sont is to they are. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Tell me, Kamal.
Yes.
Simran, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now we have our verb also, because our is my verb to has, have, our. So the moment I will conjugate our verb, which I have, you have. So how it will conjugate? It will conjugate like j'ai, I have. Say Claire, Komal. Tu,
Yes, sir.
you have. Claire. Il, elle, a is to he, she has. Nous avons is to we have. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Have is to you have. Clear. And Il, els,
And
il,
Elsa.
no, zon. Why zon? Because Simran, we have to combine the sound. Because if you have a consonant ending and a vowel starting, you have to combine the sound. So nous avons, vous
Okay,
avez,
sir.
c'est clair, and
Yes.
elles ont. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? So this is a formula which you have to understand. Mademoiselle, in order to make past tense, remember one thing. Now for example, you have a verb. Uh, you have a verb. For example, jouer. Jouer is my verb to play. Jouer is my verb to play. Claire, right, mademoiselle? So if I will say, what would be the past of jouer? You will say Joue, ague. Say Claire. It means if your verb is ending from er, so past would be ague. Say Claire, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
But the moment I want to conjugate my past verb, mademoiselle, you have to understand. The moment I will conjugate my past verb, either I have to take the help of our verb, or either I have to take the verb of I will take the help of h verb. So the formula of past tense is our or either. H present tense, it means the present tense of the, what is the formula of past tense? The formula of past tense is either you take the help of our verb, either you take the help of h verb plus the pp of the verb, the past tense of the verb. Say Claire, mademoiselle, tell me. So Komal, just try to understand. I'm saying in order to make the past tense. Now, for example, jouer, ague, but in order to say I played, either I have to use the help of our family verb, or either I have to use être. I will explain to you how I will come to know whether this belongs to my être or this belongs to my our. So if I will say I played, that is, what is our présent? J'ai. What is our présent, mademoiselle? J'ai
Yeah.
joué. Jouer, c'est votre passé, past. C'est clair, mademoiselle. J'ai joué,
Yeah.
I played. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear? Now you will say you played. So in that case, what I will do? Tu as, because we have you conjugation, sorry, our conjugation, tu as joué. Say that. It means you played. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Say Claire. Now,
Yeah.
I will say he, she played. So what you will say?
Il, elle, a.
Elle a joué. Say
Mm.
Claire.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if I will say we played. So what you will do? We played. Nous avons joué. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Claire, if I will say you played, right, in formal, then I will say vous avez joué. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Tell me yes or no. Why, mademoiselle? Say Claire.
Yes.
So over here we have a typing error, which is you. You and EAQ. Say Claire, mademoiselle. So they played is what? Ils ont, right? Ils ont joué. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Tell me yes or no. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
मैं rub कर दूं, मैं rub this.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, now the question arises over here, how I will come to know whether this is my our family verb? Obviously, because we have two families over here. Our family will conjugate with our, Claire. Être family verb will conjugate with être. But you know, mademoiselle, we have entire verbs, major verbs, which will conjugate with our, but very few verbs will conjugate with être verb. Now, what are those verbs of être? Very simple. The things you are doing with your leg movement. You know, leg movement. Whenever you have a movement in your legs, this is my être family verb, mademoiselle. Just for example, we have venir. Repeat after me. Venir.
Vanir.
Venir is my verb to come. You have movement with your legs. Ale. Ale is my verb to go. It means you're using your legs. So whatever your movement with your legs, but not in every cases. Yes, it is just I'm just give you a a trick. Like these are tricks basically. A trick is basically like how you can understand what is my être family verb. Claire, mademoiselle. So we have verb, mademoiselle. For example, entree. Entree is my verb to enter. So entree is my verb to enter. It means you are using your leg to enter. Say Claire.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
No. Partir. Partir is my verb to leave. The moment you leave, it means you use your leg. Claire. Sortir.
Yes.
Sortir is a verb to go out. So the moment you will go out, you are using your leg. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why?
Yes, sir.
We have verb by example revenir. Revenir is a verb to come back. Again, come back, you use your legs. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
So we have
Yes, sir.
descendre. Descendre is a verb to get down. Descendre is a verb to get down. The moment you get down with your legs, so the things which is coming under the category of using the leg. Partir, using your leg. Sortir, revenir, descendre, monte. Monte is to climb. Mademoiselle, pen down. Monte is to climb up. They climb. Monte
और
is...
सर आपकी ना आवाज नहीं आ रही है क्लियर.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है? अब आ रही है आपको मेरी आवाज?
अभी ठीक हुई.
क्लियर आवाज?
यस सर.
ओके. अभी अभी बंद हुई थी आवाज या पहले ही बंद हुई थी?
नहीं, ये जो आप बोल रहे थे ना डिसऑनर वाला, इसमें से थोड़ी डाउन हो जाती है तो समझ में नहीं आता है क्या बोल रहे.
Problem. So descendre, repete après moi. Descendre. Descendre is my verb to get down. Say Claire. Why?
सर.
Why? Descendre. So you know descendre is to get down from the stairs, get down from the bus. So you use your legs, right? Say
यस सर.
now we have verb monte. Monte is my verb to climb. Monte is my verb to climb. So the moment you climb, you use your leg. Tell me yes or no.
यस सर.
Right? So we have verb naître. Naître. Naître is my verb to born. So understand one thing. Born. Yes. Naître is my verb to born. That will be your être family verb. And the next we have is mourir. Mourir is my verb to die. So born, die is my être family verb. Say Claire, mademoiselle.
यस सर.
Say Claire. Okay. So repete après moi. If I will say, what are my être family verb? What you will say? The être family verb is what? Tell me, mademoiselle. Tell me.
When we are using our legs to move
Yes.
or for the action something.
Yes. Now, for example, we have verb what? Venir is my verb to come. Aller is my verb to go. Entrer is my verb to enter. Why?
Yes sir.
Declare partir, sortir, revenir, descendre, monter, naître, mourir. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
All these verbs are my être family verb. C'est clair? Now, par exemple, mademoiselle, let's pick venir. Let's pick venir over here. Okay. Let's pick venir over here, mademoiselle. Why? So, venir is my verb to come. C'est clair? Simmer, c'est bien.
Yes,
Simmer, vous comprenez?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, venir, we have verb to come, right?
Yes, sir.
The moment you will conjugate venir, the moment we conjugate venir, okay, in terms of I come, you come, present tense, right? So that is je viens. इसको ध्यान में रखना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. Je viens is to I come. Répétez après moi. Tu viens is to you come.
you
Claire,
come.
elle vient
Mm.
is to she comes. Right. Nous venons
Come.
is to we come. Right.
You
Nous venez
funny.
is to they come. Okay. And elle, c'est la pluriel, right? Elle viennent.
Bien.
So, répétez après moi, mademoiselle. Venir, verb to come, right? The moment I will conjugate venir verb in terms of, I come, you come, that is je viens, tu viens. Répétez après moi. Je viens,
You come.
Je viens.
il, Claire,
Tu viens.
Tu viens.
elle vient, c'est clair.
Il
Elle vient.
Venons, répétez après moi.
Nous venons.
vient.
Vous venez.
Elle viennent, elle
Elles viennent.
Bien.
my present terms of vanir. Now we are doing past also. The past of vanir is vanir. The past of vanir is vanyu,
Venue.
one thing you have to understand, mademoiselle, it is just I am just trying to and just make you to inform about some conjugations so that you will not face problem. But yes, it can be different ending also. If your verb is ending from ENIR, right? So by default, this the participacy is you. For example, we have one
Okay.
that is one you. Say Claire, mademoiselle. Why?
Yes.
Okay. Now, mademoiselle, because you know that veneer over here we are using the leg portion, so that belongs to my what? Active family verb. So what is the formula of past tense? Either avoir, either être. Say Claire. You have to take
Yes.
either avoir or either être. You have to take the help of avoir or either être. Say Claire, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
What I will do? I will do because this is my what? Être family verb. Say Claire. So je suis present verb. Je suis.
Yes, sir.
Tell me yes. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For example, if you are a girl, but these things is only applicable with my être family verb, not with our family verb. So if you are a girl, you will insert E at the end. This is called as accorde. Say Claire. So je suis venu. Say Claire. Why?